In this video, we are going to show how to program the Mercedes-Benz MBUX Infotainment System HU6 NTG6 Head Unit MCU chip, Renesas RH850 Series R7F7015223 via the dedicated NTG6 MCU adapter. When repairing or retrofitting the NTG6 head unit, technicians frequently need to program the MCU chip and edit the deflash. With this dedicated adapter, you can connect the NTG6 circuit board directly to the VVDIProg programmer. This eliminates the need to solder or desolder wires or fully remove the chip, drastically reducing the risk of accidental damage to the head unit circuit board. It is an efficient, time-saving tool ideal for professional repair shops. Connect the adapter's black slot to the circuit board edge, push it fully in, then pull it out slightly to ensure good pin contact. Connect the DB25 connector to the VVDIProg and connect a 12 volts DC power supply to the VVDIProg programmer. Open the VVDIProg software, then make the following selections. Type MCU, brand Renesas RH850 Series, chip R7F7015223. You can then read or write the deflash. Normally, only the deflash requires attention.